Guess what, Beliebers? Another package came. It is also, yes, like I said, Justin Bieber. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you this. Put this phone up against Justin Bieber so that I could unbox this. Don't worry about how I look. Murder the hell out of this envelope, because, like, this is the freaking... Yes! The necklace I was looking for. Oh my god, yes. Oh, this is magical. This is absolutely freaking magical. I've been wanting this damn thing forever. The way they package this damn stuff, there we go. Yes. Murder the hell out of this. Why do I take videos every single time I get this stuff? So I can show you my genuine reaction. This is not an advertisement for Justin Bieber. Like, I'm not a manager or whatever. I'm not sponsored, nothing like that. Believe me, if I was, I would look a hell of a lot better. Like, I probably wouldn't be sitting here in a freaking bedroom. I'll tell you that. Yes. The Belieber necklace. Oh my god. Look at how cool this looks. I was looking forward to this for a long time. Absolutely in love with this. That's so cool. The way that they package that is absolutely awesome. And the moment that we've all been waiting for. This is that pillowcase. Justin Bieber. I was looking for this. Oh my gosh, this is great. So, basically, I wanted a pillowcase, you know. I had a feeling I would find one, you know. I didn't think I would find one like this. Oh my god. I was not expecting this material out of this. Oh my god, look at that. And you could see, wow. Oh, I'm just in love. I am in love with this. Look at the way this comes out. This unfolds like this. Oh yeah, this will definitely fit a standard pillow. Look at that. Justin Bieber is on this as well. This is the best day of my life. I'm gonna put this on my pillow and show you what that's like, because this is too awesome. This is the Justin Bieber pillowcase on that pillow. That is a crystal clear image of Justin Bieber. That is incredible. So not only do I have this Justin Bieber right here, you know, not only do I have that Justin Bieber, but I have this one too. I have this Justin Bieber, and I have the blanket behind me with Justin Bieber. I have to make this bed because this is awesome. Look at Justin Bieber.